Bird watch. Oh, look! The sun is shining brightly in the sky. It is so beautiful. Hey, look at those beautiful birds. I have never seen them before. Let's meet them one by one. Toucan. I have a brightly colored beak. I am a native of Central America. Dove. I am considered as a symbol of peace all over the world. Hummingbird. I am the smallest bird in the world. I am the only bird that can fly forward and backward. Egyptian vulture. I am the smallest of all vultures. Sugar bird. I have a tail 4 times the length of my body.